Welcome back, Flare community. I hope you're all well and having an incredible day as always. And in this short video, we're going to be talking about the difference between price and value. Because as I've said many times, there is an opportunity to be had here. And this is something that I think really needs to be understood for you as an investor. Price and value are definitely not the same. So we're starting here on the trusty iPad. And I just want to do this diagram again because I did it in a previous video and I think it really does help illustrate the difference, right? So on this chart here, we're going to have two different axes. We're going to have the x-axis and the y-axis. The x-axis is going to be time, and on the y-axis, we're going to have utility. And also in another color, we're going to have price. But first, let's start with the utility. The Flare network has been consistently shipping products over the past years. And I think it's wrong, or in fact, it is just purely wrong to say that the network is not developing, because the Flare team are executing their roadmap as expected. We've seen F assets, we've seen all of these protocols come to light, and we can see that over time, the utility is going up. There's more things that you can do on the Flare network. Oracles, the data attestations from external networks, all of these things that are surrounding F assets, FXRP, and obviously, ultimately, we're going to be having a lot more protocols and assets that are going to be utilized within the Flare network too. Now, if we look on this color here, we've also got price. Now, the price in general has not been what everyone would have hoped. Normally with the price going up or the utility going up, you would assume that the price would go up too, but that's not been the case. What we've seen is a chart that has been zigzagging all the way down like this to around all-time lows. We've actually just seen a little uptick here, but in the grand scheme of things, it's insignificant in my opinion. So what does this actually mean? Well, here's the thing. The utility or the value that the network offers is misaligned with the price, right? And you can see that there's a big gap here between the two. And what is that gap? That gap is opportunity. So the bigger this gap, the bigger the deviation, the more opportunity there is, right? When you're buying down here at the lows, you get the maximum return once the price and the value are more aligned. And that's where we are right now. As you can see, the price is much lower now than it was back in the day when arguably the utility wasn't as strong. So let's run through this quick thread that I created. So here we go. Price versus value. What is the difference? In the rapidly evolving world of digital assets, the term price and value are often used interchangeably, but they are not the same. Understanding the nuanced difference between the two is crucial when investing, and now it is time to learn about the two. So we go here. Price refers to the amount of money required to purchase a particular asset. In our case, we're using FLR as an example. And it's determined by various market factors, including supply and demand dynamics, market sentiment, and external economic factors. Price is what you pay for the asset. Price is what you pay for FLR at any given time. Value, on the other hand, represents the intrinsic worth of an asset and is a measure of the utility, the problems that it solves, the underlying technology, and the potential for adoption and growth. Price is what you pay, value is what you get. The concept of value investing revolves around finding assets that are priced less than their intrinsic value, and that's where I see FLR today. With digital assets being so volatile, there are often discrepancies between price and value. And when these are identified, these can offer significant investment opportunities, right? That's where we are today, because we look at the value that has been built from the FLR team. And, when the price is high, you see people that are very bullish. But when the price is low, despite more utility, it seems to somehow change to a negative sentiment. And before we wrap up here, I do want to just give you a look at this. It's a recreation of what is called the Wall Street cheat sheet. And this is to do with market psychology, right? When the price is at the bottom, people are often angry and depressed, and they capitulate. The bottom is where most people actually sell. That's because they have no belief in the project when the price is low, despite more utility being available. And in contrast, and this is something to potentially look for in the future, to acknowledge your emotions, the top is signified by euphoria, when the price is going up so fast that you think it's never going to end. So these are some things that I would like you to maybe just pause the screen on here and give this a look and really be acutely aware of your emotions during these upcoming months. Because obviously, if you look in the top left-hand side of your screen now, you can see that FLR is up over 11% in the past 24 hours. Now, that is a huge boost, and a lot of people are excited about this. But don't get complacent, right? When you start feeling these emotions here of optimism, belief, the thrill, and euphoria, this is when you should maybe start taking some money off of the table. Now, with that in mind, I still don't believe that the FLR price at the minute is anywhere near where its value represents. So I'm still holding, I'm still accumulating, and I will be for a lot longer until we see euphoria within the market. When we see all of the haters starting to return and starting to buy when they see that the price is higher, because price high, project good. Price low, project bad. That's what they all say. And that's why most people are always wrong, right? Because you can't buy low without buying low. And when you're buying low, like some of us have been doing over the past months, the sentiment within the market is not the greatest. And similarly, on the opposite side, the times when you want to sell is the times when optimism is at its highest and everyone thinks that it's just going to keep going up and up and up. So just a short video today talking about the differences between price and value. I hope you got some value from this video itself. If you do want to support the channel, check the links below. Feel free to stake with Digital Dynamix and get your airdrops, because we are doing the monthly airdrop at the start of next month in just a couple of weeks. And of course, we've got the Patreon group that are going to be enjoying the Prompt to Protocol series, where we're going to be building an application from start to finish, deploying it on the FLR network, and sharing the proceeds with the Patreon members. So do have yourself an incredible day as always. Thank you once again for watching. And until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.